Imagine the skies filled with a relentless swarm. Hundreds, even thousands of enemy drones, overwhelming defenses and threatening critical infrastructure. This is the evolving face of aerial warfare, and India is not just prepared, it's innovating. Get ready to witness a game changer. Introducing Bhargavastra, India's cutting-edge answer to the drone swarm threat, a testament to indigenous ingenuity and a giant leap in defense technology. Developed by the brilliant minds at Solar Defense and Aerospace Limited, Bhargavastra is not just another anti-drone system. It's a purpose-built anti-drone swarm weapon, designed from the ground up to effectively counter multiple aerial threats simultaneously. This isn't about swatting individual flies, it's about neutralizing the entire swarm. At its heart, Bhargavastra employs a sophisticated two-layered defense mechanism, a blend of brute force and pinpoint accuracy. The first layer unleashes a barrage of unguided micro-rockets, a devastating net of destruction capable of eliminating multiple drones within a 20-meter radius. Think of it as a close-quarters aerial shotgun, ideal for overwhelming dense swarms. But Bhargavastra goes beyond area denial. For specific high-value targets, the second layer kicks in guided micro-missiles. These intelligent projectiles offer pinpoint accuracy, ensuring that critical threats are neutralized with precision and efficiency. Bhargavastra's capabilities aren't limited to physical destruction. The system also integrates soft kill methods, such as sophisticated jamming and spoofing technologies. This allows for the disruption of enemy drone operations, potentially neutralizing them before a single shot is fired. The effectiveness of this groundbreaking system has been rigorously tested at the Seaward Firing Range in Gopalpur, Odisha. These real-world trials have unequivocally demonstrated Bhargavastra's ability to counter aerial threats effectively, proving its readiness for deployment. Designed for deployment across varied terrains, including challenging high-altitude regions above 5,000 meters, Bhargavastra is a versatile asset for all branches of the Indian military, the Army, Air Force, and Navy. Its integration enhances India's network-centric warfare capabilities, providing a crucial layer of defense and ensuring rapid response and superior situational awareness in the face of evolving aerial threats. The introduction of Bhargavastra marks a significant leap in India's defense technology, a powerful statement of its commitment to self-reliance and the proactive mitigation of advanced aerial threats. This indigenous marvel not only strengthens India's security, but also positions it as a leader in counter-drone technology. Bhargavastra securing India's skies, today and for the future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on cutting-edge defense technology.